Hey guys, so I've been developing some installation jigs for the Impression Rail Express system. I just saw that there was a need for it, so I installed it myself, and so I've been developing these, and hopefully it'll help you guys too. So I've got right here, I've got a 3-inch jig and a 2-inch jig. The 2-inch jig, both of them, sit on there, sets the clip at the right height, 2 7/8 from the base plate without the skirt. Just like that. They're very stiff. They hold on there without any need for, worrying about them going anywhere. And the clip for the railing goes in there nice and easy. Snaps in there. It's not going to fall out. And it's a fairly tight tolerance, so it sits exactly where you want it to. And I'm going to demo an installation of that real quick here. Alright, so the nice thing about this system is it holds the clip firmly, so you don't have to worry about it twisting in the jig while you install. So I've already done a little bit of testing on this, so I'm going to move it up here. You would put it all the way flush down to the bottom if you were installing this though. So, the jig, self-tapping screw. And there you go. So another feature on this is that this open end section can be used to center the top rail once you've installed the bottom clip. Get your panel section, slide it down into that clip, and then slide the jig down, and that'll center that top rail. You put your clip in there and install the clip. There we are. So this helps speed up the install, make sure that it's consistent and right where it needs to be every single time. And this allows you to get more work done more consistently and faster. I spent a lot of time redesigning this to make sure it's durable for job site use, and what I'm about to do I don't recommend you doing, but these can withstand 190-pound person on them. Obviously the concrete dug into the plastic a little bit there, but everything still works. It's not broken. I also have a jig for the stair installation. So these stair clips will fit either in the top, or they fit in either orientation, up or down. That way, if you need to, you can flip this if you need to get tighter down to the base of the stairs. So, same process. Stick the clip on there, get your screws, and there you are. There you go. And now you've seen these little windows. These marks are aligned with the top and the bottom of the clip. That way if you flip it upside down, you can still align everything. And those are present on all of the clips. But these are more specifically used for the stairs because you're going to have to mark your exact height, and so you can look through these holes and you can see your mark and align your clip with that. Because stairs are going to be kind of custom, this is not made to be set on the base like so. You want to make sure that you set these at the right height that you are marking for your stairs custom.